In this video clip, I'm going to demonstrate how we can create a site model with the 3D CAD import. As I already mentioned in the previous video, there are different ways we can create a site model. We can create a site model by placing points. Now I'm going to show you how to create a site model using existing 3D CAD. Let's get started. New, I'm going to use our architectural template again. Click OK. Since I'm going to model an existing site, so in the facing section, I'm going to select existing. Since we are going to use an existing 3D CAD model, so first let's link the 3D CAD model with our Revit. Insert, tab, link CAD. Oh, before we do that, I forgot to mention that we need to always click Site. Then link CAD. This is the file we're going to use. So there are different settings before you hit Open. Color, we're going to use Preserve, All Layers, and Import Units, Auto Detect. Position, there are different ones. You can try it out. For example, origin to origin, that means the origin of your CAD is going to be the same, going to be aligned with the origin of your Revit model. Let's take a look at the effect. First, open. So you can see this is the origin of the model, which is on the corner of the building pad. If we undo it and relink it with a different setting, let's do center to center, then hit Open. Click this. So now you can see the center of the CAD file is going to be the same as, going to be aligned with the origin. So now let's move on to the site. Topo surface. Before you do that, if this is your first time you create the site model, you always need to do some settings. I'm going to leave as is. Cancel. Topo surface. Instead of using the default place point, we're going to use Create from Import. Click the drop down. There are two options. If you click that, one is Select Import Instance. If you hover your mouse on that button, it can give you some explanation. Select Import Instance is used when you already have a 3D contour data imported in AutoCAD. Or if you have some data points collected through your survey instrument in a CVS format, probably this would be the best option for you to choose. Since we are going to use a 3D CAD model, just click Select Import Instance. After you click that, you may not see anything happen. Then you need to hover your mouse around the model and then click. So this window will pop up, and those are different layers that is in your existing 3D CAD model. So before you want to import all the lines, you need to make sure what kind of what layers are your contour lines on. in this model, we know you start with topo, major or minor. So we assume those are the layers for topo surface. Then hit OK. So you can see there are a lot of points, dense points generated through this 3D CAD. So let's try to simplify our site model a little bit. I want the points to be a little bit sparse. Click Simplify Surface. This really means the distance between those points are 3 feet. I want to change it to 1 feet, so you will see the effect of it by hitting OK. So now it's a little bit sparse compared to the previous one. Now let's hit OK. Let's take a look at the 3D view. So if this point you would like to delete your CAD model, you can do so by deleting the CAD. And then shaded view. So now this is your 3D model of the site. It's quite simple. Let's stop here, and we will continue to do some more exploration in the next few video clips.